Believe me if I say you can make up to $1,000 per day with this strategy I'm about to show you in this video. And don't worry, this can be done over and over again. And you don't have to sell anything or making videos or having difficult technical expertise. The nicest thing about this strategy is that it requires no prior knowledge and is therefore entirely free. People from all walks of life are welcome. You can make money online right now, no matter where you live in the world, by simply using your smartphone or your computer. But before we go any further, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, believe me, you're missing a lot of free strategies to make money online. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The website we'll be using today to earn passive income online is Upleap. Simply go to upleap.com to get started. Upleap is a software startup that provides a service and a tool to help people grow their Instagram accounts and followers. This is the website we'll be using to make money today. But don't worry, you won't need an Instagram account or followers to sell anything. I'll walk you through everything and make it as simple as possible for you, including providing you with a script to copy and paste. I'll show you how to copy and paste so you can start utilizing it right away. Even if you are a complete beginner, you can start making money after watching this video. Instagram, for those of you who are new, is a social media platform that allows you to upload and share photos and videos. Basically, here I'll show you how to make money on Upleap. The key is the affiliate program, which allows you to earn commissions while also assisting others and growing their Instagram followers. To join the affiliate program using these tools, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and click on the link. After that, you'll be directed to this page. As you can see, we can join the Upload Affiliate Network and earn monthly recurring commissions. The concept is very simple. The first step is to register as a free affiliate. There are no hidden costs, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Go to your dashboard after you've signed up for a free account and copy your short affiliate link. The third step is to start sharing and marketing your special affiliate link. When someone clicks on your link from anywhere on the internet, they are directed to step 4, where they can track their progress and pay you for each person who signs up for Upleap. This is essentially a referral program in which you can earn a 30% monthly commission by promoting Upleap to others in order to help them grow their Instagram profiles. Allow me to demonstrate how much money you can make as an Upleap affiliate. They essentially have 3 packages on their website, and you are not required to purchase any of them. There is no purchase or sale, and this service is entirely free. All you have to do now is grab your affiliate links and begin promoting these 3 packages to others. There are basically 3 packages that you can promote right now, and these are the monthly packages. As a result, this is the most commonly used package. This is the most popular bundle with a monthly fee. As a result, a large number of people will purchase this package. It's a plus that this is a monthly recurring commission. As a result, this is an extremely useful tool, and people will continue to purchase this package. Both keep using Upleap, which means you'll be able to make passive earnings again and again. The good news is that this is only a single customer. Consider this. If you refer 10 people to 1,030 and each of them purchases a package and continues to use Upleap, you will be earning a lot of money. This is a fantastic option for beginners. To begin earning money online, first and foremost, you must register for a free Upleap affiliate account to become an affiliate. All you have to do now is click on this button. Simply bring your first and last names, as well as your email address and password, which you should double check. Now tick off I am not a robot, and by clicking this button, agree to the terms of service and sign up. Moving on. I'm going to give you something very cool to help you get started making your first dollar and commission online as promised. As you can see, I produced the entire script for you to help with marketing of this product. You can see here the entire script I provided for you. You wish you can simply copy and paste into your affiliates. You can earn 30% of the profit. If people read this template, then click on this link and then make a purchase. You may now see the entire template, which contains tips for exponentially growing your Instagram followers. As you can see, by educating others on how to grow their Instagram accounts, you're literally giving away free value. You will develop a lot of trust from others if you do this, and they will eventually click on this link to learn more about your #1 suggested tool. They are more likely to make a purchase since they first and foremost trust you. That is, in fact, a very professional and legitimate technique to make money online. What are the greatest places to get traffic to your link so that people will click on it? That is the most common problem among beginners, which is why I recommend Quora.com to you. This is where we will get a lot of traffic referrals and visitors to our website. So now all we have to do is copy and paste this script into Quora. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Quora, let me explain. Quora is essentially a free public forum. Many people visit this website to discuss a variety of topics. Others pose questions and some respond. There are a variety of images here. The monthly visitors are in the millions, which is incredible. Millions of people visit this website each month. And if you do it well, if you use horsepower, you will get a lot of clicks, and a lot of visitors will quickly click on your affiliate links. And if they make a purchase, you will receive a 30% commission. So you're going to create a free account on Quora right now. All you have to do is go to Quora.com, and you'll be taken straight to this page to sign up with your email address. Simply click this link, fill out all of your information on this side of the page, and then click the Sign Up button. It's pretty straightforward. Once you've logged into your Quora account, you'll see something like this. See here, if we hit the search button, Quora will automatically assist us in finding all of the different questions, posts, and discussions that people are having about this topic. You can see how to obtain more Instagram followers here. What is the best technique to get more Instagram followers quickly? This type of topic gets a lot of attention on Quora.com. Hundreds of thousands of individuals are interested in learning more about the subject. So let's say I click on this post right here, and it takes me to this page where there are a lot of people who have responded to this question. As you can see, he's actually providing a very nice response. Some even include a link between their posts, demonstrating that this is a tried and true method. People usually have some positive values in common. They include free values in their postings, and they include referral links somewhere in the post or at the end, from which people will earn a commission if they click. That will be our exact strategy. First and foremost, I'd like you to press this button, which contains the solution. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can truly answer the question, how can I gain more Instagram followers? This is when the script truly comes into play. Simply copy this entire script, then return to this page and paste your response into the box below. All you have to do now is press the paste button. Remember to include your affiliate links in this section. This is crucial because if you don't include your affiliate links, then you won't be able to earn any money. Basically, that's the method. All you have to do now is go to Quora.com and search for different topics. In a sense, you're looking for folks who want to increase their Instagram followers. When you share free values with them, they'll trust your advice, and many of them will eventually click on the link. You can then earn 30% monthly commission on any purchase they make with either of these packages. That's how you can earn a lot of money online with a method that I just showed you, and that's it. For more strategies like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. And the most important, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.